sir, the sister than you. Yes, ma'am.
Dr. Sebi, I was wondering, in regards to your list of foods that are detrimental and foods that you should eat, I've never been a bread eater. I started eating the rye bread and eating the wild rice. And I've been eating it almost every day because I've fallen in love with it. And I was just wondering, can you eat that in excess? Can I eat too much? Like some mornings
if the rye bread is 100% rye, you can eat it for the rest of your life and it will not hurt you. That's the one protective measure that the naturalness has. If it's natural, the only thing that you're going to get is tired of it, but you're going to get healthier every day.
And the wild rice?
The wild rice is natural. That's the natural rice, the black one. That costs $10 a pound.
Right.
Okay, sure. That's the natural rice. God made that. God made... Oh, I'm glad you agree with me. That is true, sister. The wild rice has iron. It is